The Tower of Hanoi puzzle consists of 3 rods and a set of discs of different sizes. The goal? Move the entire stack from the first rod to the last, following just 3 rules. 1. Only one disc can be moved at a time. 2. Only the top disc may be moved. 3. A larger disc cannot be placed on top of a smaller one. To solve it recursively, we don't think about moving all the discs at once. Instead, we reduce the problem to a smaller version of itself. 1. Move the top N1 discs to an auxiliary rod. 2. Move the largest disc to the destination. 3. Move the N1 discs from the auxiliary rod to the destination rod. This Python function solves the puzzle recursively. If there's only one disk, we move it directly. That's our base case. Otherwise, we break the task into 3 steps. Move N1 disks to the auxiliary rod, move the nth disk, and let's walk through a dry run for 3 disks. The function breaks into smaller calls, each handling fewer disks, until it reaches the base case. This call stack forms a recursive tree, and each leaf node is a base case that performs a single move. The time complexity of Tower of Hanoi is 021 because each additional disk doubles the number of steps. That means for 3 disks, it takes 7 moves. For 4, it's 15. And for 10 disks, over 1,000 moves. As a challenge, try modifying the function to return a list of moves instead of printing them. Kindly pause this video and think about the solution. In case you get stuck, play the video for the solution ahead. Recursion is like learning to think differently, breaking problems into pieces and solving each piece one step at a time. If this video helped clarify recursion, leave a like, subscribe for more clean Python tutorials, and share your questions or insights in the comments.